Hello guys, it is currently 10 p.m. but I want some acrylic-like nails. So that is what I'm going to do. It is 10:04. It's kind of late, but you know, I got plenty of time. I'm not tired or anything, and I have watched several tutorials, and today I'm going to be attempting a at-home manicure. So if you're new, I'm Kenzy, and I do all kinds of different videos, like doing different challenges, vlogs, and a bunch of DIYs, and I've been uploading 3 times a week during this quarantine, so you should definitely subscribe and join the family because I'm uploading a lot, so that will help you be entertained for longer. And you can go ahead and turn on post notifications so that you can get notified when I upload. I've got a very cool video coming on Sunday, and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready for this quarantine to end, because I feel you and I am going crazy inside this house. But anyways, today I'm going to be going from these little nubs. They're really bad, so I don't know how close I'm going to show you, but to hopefully some really cute acrylic-like nails. But I'm not using acrylic, they're just fake nails, but they're going to go for the look for acrylics. So yeah, let's just hop right in. So this is the before of my nails. As you can see, my thumbnail is pretty long, it's pretty good, but then my other ones are just awful, so I won't show you those real close. But so here's this hand. This thumb is also pretty long, and the other ones are not good. So let's fix this. Okay, so I have this box that I have a bunch of these little organizers, and this one I keep all of my nail supplies in, and I have a lot of stuff that I've never used. So I have a dryer, some polish, and then I have a lot of acrylic tips, and looks like I have some more somewhere, but I don't know where those are. Oh boy, just fell half of them. But today I think I'm just going to be using these tips and see what I can do with those. So okay, so I found the other ones that I have. This little baggie of some of them is from the dollar store, but these are the Kiss brand. I don't know where the cover went to this, but there's the glue, and I'm going to use these because they seem better and easier, a little easier. Sorry, my lighting may change a couple times. So I think we're going to go with those. And I did watch quite a few tutorials, but I am in no way, shape, or form an expert. So bear with me, and we'll see how this goes. So I turned on that light, and once you just buff the outer layer of the nails, I'm just going to start measuring which nail sizes fit my hand. So, oh boy, this looks like it's going to be fun to open. Got it. So, looks like they're they are already arranged by size. So that one, those two look good for my thumbnails. This kit actually has a lot of different sizes, so it's gonna hopefully this all works out. But I'm realizing that these are not really the tips, they're more so just the fake nail. So hopefully this works. This whole video is a fail. Well, I mean, they'll work for a little bit, but yeah. So I have all of those laid out, all of them. And now you just put some glue. I actually have this glue right here. So I'm going to be putting some of this on the nail, and then I will put it onto, putting this on the tip, I guess, and then I'll be putting it on my real nail. Not too much, according to my tutorial I watched one 20-minute tutorial and one 5-minute tutorial, so I'll let you know how this goes. As of right now, it's not looking too hot, so I'm gonna speed this up. Okay, so I got them on. These are just fake nails, and they weren't really fitting my nail right. It's just tips. So I went ahead and just put them on as full-on nails. And this is what they look like. I am trying to remember the tutorial as best I can. But right now I'm just going to file these down because these are a little bit too long for me to function. I had to press the record like that. So right now I'm just going to file down, and I'm not going to cut them because it's not that big of filing. So hopefully I can get all this filed, and then we will see. At 10:43, I'm officially done filing. And there at the end, I did use the fingernail clippers. Big mistake, should have used them the whole time because I was only taking off a little bit, but I literally went through 4 files trying to wear those down. So now I'm going to go wash these off and get all the dust off. So I washed my hands, and now I'm just going to paint them because the videos I watched were tips and they had a lot of extra steps, but where mine are the full nail, I just buffed them a little bit, and now I'm going to paint them. I'm either going to paint them a baby blue or a wine color. Maybe I'll put that on my Instagram poll. You guys should definitely go follow that Instagram poll so that you can, or my Instagram, kensy.jean, and get more updates throughout the week with me, and like pick what color that I should paint my nails. So I will get back to you in a minute. In the meantime, I'm going to eat these nachos that my dad just fixed. They are organic blue corn chips, cheese, hot sauce, and jalapenos. So I'm gonna eat this and then check the poll again. Okay, so I think I'm going to be going with this Pretty Woman nail polish. It is a champagne color and a wine color. So I think I'm going to be using this because right now the vote is like 6 to 1. So I think we're going to be doing this. So yeah. Okay guys, so I finished my nails. Here is the final look. I chose the wine color and I'm really happy with how they turned out. The only thing is that they do look a little fake to me. Like they aren't my real natural nail. But I mean, they're not, so what else can you ask for? But anyways, I'm gonna hop off here real quick because I just found out that where I live in West Virginia is under a tornado watch. So I'm gonna try to hurry up and get this edited and uploaded before morning because the storm is supposed to hit tonight at 2 a.m. and there may not be internet or anything, so gonna try to get this up for you guys, which hopefully everything is all right and I will have Wi-Fi in the morning. But anyways, yeah, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and honestly did not turn out too bad. I'm very happy with this, and I will keep you updated with how long it lasts, and if it lasts a good amount of time, I will probably be doing this again sometime soon. So yeah, that was today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Kensy out.